We're asked to multiply and simplify, and we're given the square of a binomial. We have the quantity 2a minus 11 squared. So when squaring a binomial, there are no shortcuts. We cannot just square the first term and square the second term. If something is squared, we know we have two factors of the base. So this is equal to the quantity 2a minus 11 times the quantity 2a minus 11. And now to multiply two binomials, we will distribute both terms in the first binomial into the second binomial, which will give us four products. When we distribute 2a, we'll have 2a times 2a plus 2a times negative 11. When we distribute the negative 11, we'll have two more products. We'll have negative 11 times 2a plus negative 11 times negative 11. And as I mentioned in the last video, sometimes you hear the acronym FOIL to represent the product of two binomials, but I think it's more helpful to think of this as repeated distribution rather than foiling. So now we'll find the products and then combine the like terms to find the simplified product. So first we have 2a times 2a, which would be 4a squared. Notice how this is a squared because 2a is 2a to the first here as well as here. So a times a gives us a squared. And then we have plus 2a times negative 11, which would be negative 22a. Instead of writing plus negative 22a, let's just write minus 22a. And now we distribute the negative 11. So we have negative 11 times 2a, which is another negative 22a or minus 22a. And our last product, we have negative 11 times negative 11, which is positive 121. So we have plus 121. And notice how the two middle terms are like terms. Negative 22a minus 22a would be negative 44a. So the simplified product would be 4a squared minus 44a plus 121. So again, notice how there are no shortcuts. If we just square the first and second terms, notice how we would not get the correct product. So whenever squaring a binomial, root out the two factors and multiply the binomials or polynomials as you normally would. I hope you found this helpful.